Hey guys, welcome to the International Bulk Wine and Spirits Show. International Bulk Wine and Spirits Show announces that it will host its annual trade show in San Francisco and London in 2023. The San Francisco dates are July 25, 26, and London dates are November 15 and 16. So if you're in the bulk wine, bulk spirits, contract manufacturing, or private label, this is the place to be. This is where America's and UK's biggest and best buyers gather to source their bulk wine, to plan their bulk spirits, and to create private label program. I'm also super excited to announce the theme for the bulk wine show. This year in 2023, we are going to deep dive into the business of bulk wine, bulk spirits, and private label. What I mean by that is we're going to be going deeper into four main categories. One is private label, second is industry progress, third is bulk, and fourth is supply chain. So this will be the overall theme for the IBWSS show, and the entire conference program, agenda, exhibitors will be according to this theme. So you will meet private label suppliers who can help you make private label wine, beer, and spirits. You will hear from speakers who will educate you on where the industry is going and where are the opportunities. You will hear from the bulk wine buyers and bulk spirits buyers on what are they looking for and how are they buying in 2023, 2024. You will hear from the supply chain industry, the logistics, what is the current state of logistics, including the supply raw material costs and how it's navigating and, what you can do about it. So overall, the idea of IBWSS 2023 is to really go deeper into each of these domains. So you become master at each of this domain. You exactly can see how you can improve your business in each of this domain. The San Francisco show is the biggest gathering of bulk wine buyers, bulk spirits buyers, and private label buyers. So if you're in the business to look for grapes or source bulk wine, or even look for bulk spirits, this is the show. The show is going to happen on July 25th, 26th in San Francisco, and I would love for you to have join me. So go to IBWSSshow.com and get your conference and visitor passes. We have an early bird going on right now, so please take advantage of the ticket pricing, and I'll see you at the show.